Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone had a great start of the new year. And did you know, today, the third Monday in January, is known to be the Blue Monday. According to the internet, Blue Monday is the name given to a day in January, typically the third Monday of the month, say by a UK travel company, to be the most depressing day of the year. And why? This is due to many factors, such as weather condition, debt level, time since Christmas, time since New Year's resolutions have been broken, low motivational levels, and the feeling of a need to take action. Therefore, I joined another Hobbii challenge, No Shades of Grey. And this video is sponsored by Hobbii, one of my favorite online yarn stores. This challenge is all about embracing colors and to create something colorful, with a use of a minimum of 4 solid colors. It has to be something wearable, like a sweater, scarf, hat. This is my first time working with Twig Delight. This is surprisingly soft and very easy to work with. And the yarn holds together very well. And when pulling it apart, it's easy to do so. And I have chosen purple, green, pink, and yellow is my main color because it's a happy color. Hobbii also sent me these really cute stitch markers. The links are in the description box. Comment below and let me know which is your favorite. As well, give me some ideas on what I should make. I'm thinking either a sweater or cardigan. So hey, let's all create something colorful. The deadline is next month, February 25th. So stay tuned and bye for now.